Love eater.
Oi.
But I see you in my bed more.
Low that alone, man. I think I carry.
I mean,
How much pound?
You know, see a 5 pound though.
Oh, alright.
But when you turn up someone, what you arching your back, man.
How man I come here to look our business here, man?
Easy, man. So you look good in the man, I'm here. You know, if me, I think coming already.
No, come down.
So you say?
I see a word still. Alright then. You know, so me not go pay until we go drop here.
Me have to think different, man. You know, you go in and man, you thank good to you know.
Nobody go this one. Just calm down. So me go do it now.
Do you do, man? We're there, man. I'm going to go around so. You see me?
So we link you back later, yeah?
Nah, man. You lie.
Respect. My bestest of friend. How are you there? Me no want nothing, man. I saw me more here for me go. No, me just want to go drop off something. Me be run now? Yeah. Alright. Yeah? Me not tell us if you meet me up the road, how you there? Me I can't wait till the part of you, cause me have sick when me can't return it on the road like that.
Alright, come.
Alright. Right. Me mother now, sir.
No man, I'm close, me have to turn.
Yeah man, you know? Come on, come in at people come in your hot place. I should me ever deliver. And you know me not walk on the road as well.
But I couldn't be a Brazil, my friend. When say I have a deliver?
You don't trust me, man. I found thing.
You could have a Brazil doing. Me and my best friend, you see.
Left that this one, man. Come on. So you can help me with the bag?
You can also say full amount. You know, say full amount though. Are you weak?
Lucky. I'm tired, man.
You have to start making man walk you out. You good food though.
Your sound hurt.
You're my good friend and you don't know why we never there, you know.
They had good food. You make me buy good food all the while. Nah, no man over there, man. Nah, no man over there, no
Fine,
mistake.
last time I checked my bed, you don't even need a lick in your face, you know. You know what I mean? You know, you don't come back today, it's a good thing. Hope so your next man they take off. Love you and deal you good.
Always. Always.
All the things that I photograph, you know, they say, oh,
yo, nobody move, you know, don't bother move, don't bother shoot, you know, don't move. Yeah man, don't move man, don't move. You know, let them move and buck you, don't move man. Don't move man. Yo, we have that bag, Pass the bag.
me and my bag, man.
Yeah, oh, your bag, okay.
Yeah, man, my bag, man.
Your bag now? Ratted. I'm a lucky day today, man. So, matter of fact, that's off the right, that's all. Where's that for your bag?
Yeah, man, my bag.
You sure say your bag?
Yeah, man, my bag.
You know why my bag?
We just take up here a while ago.
Alright, don't go no further.
Yeah.
A weed in my bag.
Yeah.
So, it's either you're going to tell me a full bag, or you know say you're going to get at least 6 months of jail for that in my bag.
My bag.
Alright, I hear a bag. Look at miss. I know say them a sort of something you're involved in, you know. weed trafficking and all them thing there. A long time we are scope you out, you know. So if you Rasta willing to take it fall for you, no problem. I don't run no long talking. Just know say he will get one good 6 months.
You know, you Rasta say a thing about boy you scope me out. Where you scope me out for? Me a hard working girl, you know.
Come, one night car.
No, just call me sister. Call me sister here.
One night car. Alright, and hold on for this and fear to hold on for it. You get away this time, man. Just count your blessing.
One way you go. Right, get locked up.
What do you mean he get locked up? For what?
They lock him up because they find weed in a one bag when they can.
Weed?
Yes.
Who for weed?
Me don't know.
Oh, Jesus. How my can weed go? So, Jesus.
In the Nickville,
Which police station in there? Which
police
part?
station in there.
You don't know a policeman name. You never get no information from him or nothing about him name or so.
Mm-mm.
So come with me now.
No, me have some go deal with me can't go come. Send me regards. The police say 6 months they want to give me for no bail him. So go see where you can.
6 months?
Yes, go on later.
Jesus.
Alright, B. I'm a few vessels.
So can you say you let me out? You couldn't just follow me along, so.
B, sun hot man, I can't walk away down the sun right now.
Enough of that, me. Me understand say you can't follow me along for that, but me never yet see your brother.
You know, say, you want him talking, I can't manage him in a yard and he go does all gone for the road with his friend him. You so see him come in now, so he's hungry and go thieves.
Oh, so it's a troublemaker? Alright, you are. Very little, yeah? Alright. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, love you.
Lovita, me can come in?
Come on, come right get me come on. Say hello for me, so.
Lovita,
Yes.
one girl can wicked, so.
Oh, shall I girl that?
Are you me that talk? What make you so wicked?
What me do?
You really take rifle friend? Oh, you wicked, so girl. One girl can so wicked? Oh, you tell me say you don't know about the weed. I know yours. Right now, they have him down there in a custody. The policeman tell me say me have to go get liar because they can give him up to 6 months, girl. So my brother go to jail take a year thing.
You not even ask me just come and accost me. When the police stop we, alright, take it down for that we wait till me answer. And if I him would do the same thing for him, you know too.
Don't even go there, because me don't believe you. Don't even go there. Because you start telling me like from the beginning. It look like say even if they went kill him, you not even would have come and tell me. What you say? And him just go do it half on own? I wonder if I hobby, my brother.
Obia? Not sure St. Thomas me come from here, I go talk about Obia. That's why you see me left a place. And from me come and I stay from me a little pitty girl. And me and Rai, so that's how we grew up. And you ever try to break up me and Rai friendship, you know?
Hey, friend, that for sure you say my brother is a loyal friend. You is not a good friend. God didn't know what you do to me, brother. You and him not there, no, so me don't know what make him a give out his heart and his all for you once so.
Me a woman and he understand.
I'm a man and you don't understand.
You can't manage a rough life from the little year
Girl,
of him till now.
you think that you me work a bank. When me in my uniform, me decent, but me in no joke in there. Say, any you make my brother go to jail, you will see.
You should make him man kick you down, brother, because you see it's your fall. And you have not do nothing.
It's like when you keep me down now. I know say one of them there make I reach some far in the football business.
Yeah, dog. So because we want with one of them big club there, brother. So none of them want to play for.
PSG want to play for still, isn't it?
Liverpool. Brother.
Liverpool a good side still.
Why your baller?
My baller, Neymar, my baller.
Van Dijk and my baller, you hear about them man there?
I mean, some know what no fine football game, they must chop.
Brother.
Them belly him not to win a them league, you know. They must stay out in
I
the
get washed up. Yeah.
But you see man like Bale and them big man there. Ronaldo, Christie.
You see like Pele, him create bicycle. Something more left in football, more left a legacy. You see me? everywhere I go, people say, you there, him create that style. You see me? So I tell them I want to be like, brother, I want to leave a big legacy. I want to leave an impact from football career.
But we all can be a legend, you see me? We all can stand up just like Pele, you see me? Because anybody can be a legend. We can go in a history book as him, you know.
That me I say.
Because we young same way, you see me? So we have to just put our mind to the goal and go score it. You see me?
Yeah man, but anyways, on that day I pass out the road, I see a new girl. I'll check her.
Come in.
For
Yo, 5 bills there, you know. I have to go share that up, you know.
sure.
So you have to give me a bills out of that.
Give bills out of what?
You have to give me some out of that.
Me give her bills.
Shouldn't can share up that, you know. Because that wouldn't be unfair if I give me $100 and take 4 bills to yourself. You know?
Me fine me and you.
So what if I did me fine? You are the bigger one, you wouldn't tell me, say, give up.
Because me a bigger one, you'd have share equal.
No, but you need to share equal same way.
No.
Alright, when
Me give you what me want.
when we got a shop, we figure it out.
Bills you get.
Can't give me no $100.
Bills you get.
When time we reach out that shop, you have to see. Or we have to share up that.
So, what going on now? But then you're in a girl, you know, say something, say, I want to look about. What you want to look about? You know, say, I want to look about some stew peas and white rice. But anyways, like how you work, I didn't want to ask you. This accounting, because me get to work and want to open an account. Waiting, Scotia or NCB, because I really don't know.
NTB better. You see, Scotia, they want too much requirements. But you want more NTB. But what kind of work you gonna get?
Well, I'm not really sure. I'm going to send out some applications and stuff.
But if you gonna look for work, what gonna take care of your little brother?
He's lucky, you know, a big boy. So he must can take care of himself.
Not true. Well, I'm sorry, say, I never tired because I exercise this morning because when I go to work, I exercise, you know, and go out with myself. And to be tired, I would come up here for some of your stupid because you know say that's my favorite.
Well, you can't come in the evening because it's still up there.
Alright, that's if you crave my brother know what none of me have. Come and walk you out. You left your phone now.
Thank you.
Tell her say girl nice you.
No, that me a talk about, money me a talk about.
What is it?
We are going $100.
The bill me say me a give you, brother.
What are 5 bills? You can't give me $100.
Brother, I me find the money. You lucky say me a guess no tight.
This man.
Well, like you don't want to take your bill.
You're unfair, you know. Better if I do one girl, they would get $100.
You satisfied with what you get now?
Satisfy everything good still. See girl out the road, me I go get her.
Or you forget her and me she like?
Well, if I use she like, you just a smile.
She a pray me from me going in the shop, brother. So how for you forget her?
So through she a pray, you stand up one side over one part. I mean, they give girl lyrics. You just stand up over there, so.
I know what got me, brother. The girl tell me say me she want her.
But she not tell me in front of my face, brother. So you see like how you she like anything she want, you get it for her. Here. That me I tell you because me nah make no girl clown me out. That nah go up my again, never. So you see, any circumstances you want with she, you go face it.
You go on, man.
Go on. Yeah, me about to go. Are you?
Go on.
Nah, hold no meds.
Are you now hold no meds? Because me I give you bills and anything want take care come about share equal and now you find money.
That's unfair still.
Yeah, they figure man.
Yeah, I forgot. Everything good.
That
now.
figure on.
See this? Somebody there.
Bonita! Yo, where you do?
I do, man. The breeze and the time slam me do every minute.
So, you know, nothing for me?
Tell you the truth, you know. You still me I keep up sitting them police running down, you know, and take everything. All my best friend get locked up, you know. So you look like, no did this again.
Not because I see me a look here, you know, like I see me a play around it, I feel like it's a joke thing. Because when it comes to my money, here, me, I don't want you to run no joke with me. You hear me I tell you? I don't want you to run no joke with me when it comes to my money. Don't ramp with me, no true. You see me I laugh with them, I don't laugh when it comes to my money, that me I tell you. Just make sure so when time come back, my money there.
Don't worry yourself, man. Alright. Me go sort out the money and make you get it. Me go try to get a piece of food and make you get it. You hear? Alright.
24 hours.
Later, man.
Here?
Yeah.
This is what you do.
The breeze, me tell about the breeze and the door. Me go look about it and give it to you, man.
You want me to give you that
Me
hand
go
back here?
sort out it.
Why pray?
Yeah, you know.
No, tell you me I can link though.
Me.
You know, say I want prank more me I go deal in the town though. One madman prank. You see me? So it come like me up on the ground. You see me? And you come kick me and run go beside the person. I mean run it down come there, you see me? Just to catch your reaction for my channel, put it on my channel. But it's gonna need cheer we, you see me? So we have got link Tugga and make Tugga come help you, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So come on now, go down there now.
Yeah, man. Follow.
Why pray?
There, I'm just looking for a day, you know.
You know, say something I deal with for me do.
What that?
Me and this man I go down in the town go do a prank, a madman prank, you see me? Like, me would lie down for one cardboard.
Oh, you do a social experiment?
Yes, and him come kick me hard, you know? And go beside somebody and I run him down. Me I go change him, so I just forward now.
Yeah.
Now make it look too good, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a mad prank, so just stay tuned. Like, share and comment. Stay tuned. Core, go for a stone now.
Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend.
One stone now.
So nice, eh?
Go on.
Alright.
Yeah, man, that make more sense. Yeah, me not understand what you do, you know. So you know you have to go give me a camera, you know.
Alright, hold them at them. Just hide there in the Jeep. Alright. You see a man a forward. Hey, mad boy, you can't stay here, so man. Get up from here, so. How am here, man?
Hey, boy! Where are you?
Hey, yo, a prank. Camera.
Yeah, prank, man.
A prank now?
Easy now. You say I want to look at social experiment, me I do.
Social experiment, but social in the book.
Yo, come here, we do one more now.
Ready back. Hey boy.
Yo, me not laugh with you, no camera, I'm sorry for you.
Prank, man. I want to look a prank for you.
Me even see how you talk, me a girl and your sister.
why? You get bail?
You get bail. A 6 months, maybe be in a bag because we have in your bag. You never tell me say we have in your bag.
Me sorry about that, but me know say the police that come in.
If you tell me say we have more vigilant, you know.
Well, me really sorry about that.
And 6 months you have to come look for me said we.
No, I said that because me come here every day come look for say if you come out and me no see you. The last time me come over there to look for you, then me don't know where your sister do or tell them they say me can't see you, they nah let me in to see you. You know me have your back like that, man.
Well, now my sister me a wait for no call. She look out for me, you know. She come pick me for now. She got me hard.
So come me can pay your fare.
Listen, no. I wait for my sister. She come pick me up. She left the bank and now lock up the bank and I come. And some might say look out for me, you know.
So me not look out for you too?
How come? Not $1, you not give the lawyer. Tell life, you not to give $1.
You don't have no money. Call the man them pay weed. That pay problem you have to wait till they come out to tell that the story there. Me can't really stay because you know say police said after me. As me said this evening, me go and check you here. Around your yard, you go there?
Yeah, me, what the problem? I'm not sure you. This is what I want.
Alright then. Later.
Welcome, baby.
There.
You good?
How you did there?
I hear Pat knows that you did some things, you know? Is everything good, though?
Yeah, man. So, my brother there, you know?
Who?
See you there.
Who? Him?
How
Why you prank me?
You know, say I look up at your name, so then do they look of foolishness.
Suppose me did have a gun.
What you do with gun?
Nothing, baby. Joke me out, man. So I go on the front with you.
There, I something you can come.
Well, you hit me, no. You hit me there, I look for.
So where you come for? Me tell you say me hungry, you know?
Alright, me go go cook fast, man. Don't worry about it.
I cook enough because my sister wants some.
Alright, baby. Yeah, love you.
Love you too, baby.
You know something I got to tell you. You don't make no sense me about cook here, man. You go beard and get ready and just carry back.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, food to eat.
Here.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you jump so quick.
Yeah. Oh. What, my girl?
Yeah, hello.
So, babe, meet my best friend. Best friend meet my boyfriend.
Nice to meet you.
So, one go, me will fresh up or something, so we chat a little bit and then me.
Chat a little bit?
Yeah.
Alright. No, baby.
Yeah. So what, my girl?
But there, I'm just up at my house. I'm say my board, so I say me go walk and come check you.
Alright then, since I say you're bored, my boyfriend say he's go ready and come to Garrick's Cafe. So here what you go do now, just ready and come on.
Alright, no problem. I will tag along, so we call you when you're ready.
Alright, we are going.
Wagwan, can't get a number.
No. You just walk on, you can't get me number, you don't even know me, you don't even know my name.
No, but I don't really, you know, when I see a beautiful girl, you know, really have to ask them their name because they just get one name, Angel.
Really, me might look like an angel outside, but inside probably not that angelish.
No, me make it angelish, man. A beautiful girl like you.
Hey, you're my best friend, boyfriend. What you do?
What I want to for the first time, we just see this up. I like you. So, give me a number. Things can work out between me and you.
Slow it down a notch, Mr. Sir. My friend said, you're going to bring her out tonight, and she said, we can come with her. So, depends if you treat me good tonight, and I see the kind of food them you buy, and how you deal with the thing, we will see what happens. But no move so fast. You move too fast too.
We don't have a problem with that. That's how you go see the type of man to be. You know, when I say I walk up the road, looking fabulous. Woo! Well, like, you see how I spend that?
I want to ask you one question. Why you kiss me like that? And when best friend got in the bathroom, what if she did come out and see?
Well, I'm not really true to why you look so tempting, baby. You didn't have to do it. You said, one of mine could have take piece for the table. Oh, God, man. Look at this. My woman, you didn't look at your friend and say she don't have what to say.
Alright then, but next time we can go out different place. This time we don't have to bring Shaka.
No, you're speaking my language, baby. Which hotel? Just tell me the name of the hotel. It don't matter. Credit card I run, baby.
You know, mother like to go travelers.
Travelers, baby. Oh, God. Come on, man. Why travelers? Travelers is cheap. But if
Alright, find somewhere expensive then.
Go and pay them.
No problem.
No, okay, so it's it. Alright, yo. Put your number in the phone, baby.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, no. You get one already. Satisfied with that. Let me go.
Go on, favorite sister.
Favorite sister? Me and your friend, you know, cause of me and Lovita yesterday.
No go on someone, you know say I saw me go on more time. Let me get some of that sister.
Give me trip, face already, aye. Come out of my room. Come out of my room.
Me nah come on.
Let me go about room and come back here to come out of my room. Look at enough. What this? But you don't listen. Hey boy, you think me and your size give me chips? You know you have no sense, boy. You know you have no sense. You think, hey, your father come in here, come beat up mommy. Nobody feels you come in here, come beat up everybody. You see me attack you, turn around for me to back saying you.
Back so.
Yo, who for back? You think you're a man in here? You're a man? And you me attack too? You're a man?
Man.
You think me and your size?
Tom
who? Tom who?
Now you.
Oh, what's that?
Kill the we are going like you.
What y'all do? What y'all do, little boys? Oh, no, stop, man. No, stop. You need to know yourself. Stop. No, you need to know yourself. Go on out, man. Go on out.
Enough time she thought enough of me things them out of the fridge, you know. I see a tree come on and a thump her in her face.
So, no, sister.
No business.
Watch me out, your ear.
Stop. Yeah, little one, you always behave like a bigger one. Come on, man.
A true love it coming and thump in your face, you know.
Don't worry yourself, I'm going to pies you. Think you're coming to come kill off nobody?
Go on out, man. Just go on. Go on. You love the argument. Go on now. Go on now.
See how you turn them now and you say nothing to me, yeah?
Not even stop a man. No stop a man. I'm going to lick off your face. You know who me be? Go on. We don't need, you know, so we need to find something to do with him to come and kill off when we know.
I left you if you left.
You might kill off we know. You need to either go military, booty camp, homes, anywhere. They need to find and send him.
I left you if you left. Mommy has spoiled mother, so I feel like him a man.
I come in, you know. I mean, here one piece of commotion on here, I say, maybe come look. We need to talk to mommy. We need to draw one meeting. Come take me little time, bro, in my quarters, you know.
Mommy come like him dumb too. I say he dumb when he come and to him, pa.
You come grow in my quarters, you know, cause you can't get trips. It makes sense, cause like, oh, what I see.
Good evening, mommy. Yes. You need to talk to your son, you know. You need to talk to your son.
So, I know your brother.
You see how things are run right now? Me not have no brother, you know. Me not have no brother. You love spoil him too much. You know, listen to me when we talk. You love spoil him.
So, you not spoil too?
No, you murder we as we do nothing, you murder we.
Alright. Say your piece. What you have to say, say it. Let me hear what you have to say.
You know, say this man and the little boy nearly must kill me off in a room.
For no reason at all?
Just because me tell him, say, do not eat me chips. Kind of come in my room, come trouble me things them. I still going to go near me chips. And I talk to him about it and he want to fight me.
Not tell lie, Papa.
What me I tell lie upon you?
Alright, so you tell me you're part of this story.
I go in the room and I ask her if you want little cheese chip. And she said no and she come out and I just eat it.
Yeah, alright. One little cheap chip your brother beg you, and you couldn't give him the little cheap chip.
So, mommy, what you mean saying have a right?
You have a right to
That's what she mean and still.
take it, because she too mean.
Mommy, him a go beat you in here. It's the same like when your father used to beat us, him a come to because you quiet him.
When he start beat me, you don't help me.
Help you.
All right. Don't me just come from work, I'm tired. We don't know argument.
Anyway, mommy, I go pan you and come back.
All right, baby, go on. I'm going to go with you.
Go about my business.
Go on about your business here, girl.
I'm glad me see you, say you me that go and check.
No, don't have too hot. Me just take a walk out, but the breeze not blow.
And that me say look like rain and go fall.
You know, my sister I go check. She in the house there asleep though. But different from that though, you know, it's a bank work she do. She kind of stress out. But just me nice to figure out what that is. So we are deal different. We're going to jump out now.
You know, say me look one hard patch in my life and it's a 500,000 me I look for borrow from you.
Oh, you feel ask your broke friend for money? Where am I get the money from them breeder? That's $500,000, you know. Where am I get $500,000 from?
Well, I know you don't have it, but your sister work at a bank and things. So you could have make she pull off on one thing for me tell you.
If me tell my sister say you want, you know, say you not get it, you know that. But me can't talk to her still because I'm also important you want it for. But yeah, what? Don't play with me, you know. Now you're a friend, so I'll do this tip for you. But you know, see, I have to pay it though. You can't take a loan and not pay. You start work, that's true?
Yeah, me start work, man.
No worry yourself, then for your work, you go get the loan and you pay back the money.
Yeah.
Weekly or where do I want to pay back? Weekly or monthly?
Monthly.
Monthly. So monthly, you pay it back. A simple maths, man. See, we're not going to fall now. So I go back down. So check me by Monday, me get the loan for you. Because I have to so because I organize to get $1 million for myself. So I can't make it the 1.5, but listen to me. Because I look at business transaction I do. I don't know if you go work or not, but no do it. So a girl they say have to give me though. You see have a girl they go give me.
All that to me. Have a certificate. Nice girl, black child, chocolate skin, your type. You can't lose.
Girl are active.
Yeah.
But do the things that I like, those flexible, no boring type of girls. Vibes it.
That is it.
Alright, so you can't work. But I say, but talk to my sister. Later I call her back, she asleep. Later I call her back and tell her, I say, carry to 1.5. I say, you get 5. Come have a look at Ishan, you show me that deal. I have a next loan somewhere, come buy a salon differently.
Oh.
And I have to buy 4, I buy 5. So.
A good move that
yeah,
still.
The farm can do some farming. They have a pre-farming, you understand?
Rain go start falling, so me now, but I go down here when rain fall and nature call. Me know that goes so me go before you catch me.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright, check it. Yell up a mother for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
What you say? I tell him say place more want to fix up in the cabin. Tell him that say me have man and man now help me. So me explain to him, you know. But you know some friend like that. He say will help me on. So me go get him money and me go fix up the place and see when we can go find this so. And where we can catch up one place so. And sometimes his spouse come out, you know, so we don't have a privacy. So I go fix up the place and call it a day. What do you think about that?
Yeah, girl, that's same say if you go. You know, so we have to make her off yourself. And a long time I want to look at changes in me. At the same time, I want to see if I can look and work and better off myself. I'm tired of sitting every day. Tired of hard life.
You say, if you see him and he asks if me at work, tell him say yes, me get one night to go work. You know which part you want, tell him say, because she trust me like that in a really in no details with what we well want it. So if he tell us me, if he asks me at work, tell him yes. And tell him say me at work so me can pay him back. But me not have no work.
Why am I selling so much money so I help you out so?
Me and my friend Peter from high school, and we just got high school until we graduate and everything. He never put an argument to me. We always go party, drink, junk, and he never touch me, nothing at all. When we wake up, he have a big cup of tea put on in front of me. So. But we just never find him as a figure to talk to him. You know what I mean? Because I don't mash up the friendship. If me and him got talk, and me and him left me love my boyfriend, and me love my best friend, and I have nobody to tell certain things. So nothing like that, man. I'm just good Samaritan, a good somebody. So never take it here.
I hear you. You're so romantic. You can set me on the link.
But I set you on the link, you know. But you know, love slim man, you know. Woman with body.
Oh.
I mean, I give no man next thing, my mother tell me, say, me, I give my little sister, man. So you have to find that the one they find your one, they find your one sister. You tell her the truth, they find your one. Because you just see me not even go out for there again. And mommy say, I'm here to look you up.
You know mommy's style already. Mommy is very overprotective.
So you ain't cook nothing?
Yeah, when you make little soup around there.
Alright, you're going to drink something. After the food going there, the pot empty.
You know, say like say my brother drink out the soup. You know, so we can't take the boy this style. I'm telling you, let look at that, see how mommy could get some, you know.
You can't bother with me, just that's why I tell them more and more on a space where we can have.
Come here. You can't have a little conscience.
You know,
I can't drink out the whole of soup and I tell you to left some.
all them virgin they come over here and give him some. I can't mean to them man there. Because I go feel me at the same thing you don't give me some.
So what about me, boyfriend?
You know, they man here, they normally stay up there on 3 days, you don't know see you come back.
Mommy, while you know what you know, while you know. You know what me, I'll come up and come now, I'm going to lick you in your face.
Lick who?
Stop back and say, sister, you know me realize mommy spoil you and as we slip we slide.
I go on to go and live with the man and left me and mommy. You know what to? Come on.
Try remember say you're gonna have woman a year. So continue treat with some. You have woman and you have picnic. So know what you do.
And you're trying to come back and tell me you want to $10. Because the lunch money me not give you. Make your friend give you.
Who ever give lunch money? You ever give me lunch money yet?
Me not give you lunch money all the while.
I say my father build this, you know. My father build this and he take care of the whole of it.
That's why I'm dead and
gone. I can't run out the whole of it anytime, so no go on.
Don't worry yourself, you go hungry again, here.
Hungry again? No wait.
Your name the on papers?
Who for name the on paper? Who left on the will? You left on will? Me left on the will.
Well, we have a share it.
Bet you go on, yeah. You just bet you go on. I told me no one me say nothing, you know, come let us coffee me that this, you know.
Bright. Bad influence.
Bad influence. And dirty poop in my fella. That's why I tell us that we can't wait. If you just fix up the place and come out, we're going to just roll you out, that is.
And you know what say? I see him saying look dirty poop and used to beat up mommy, you know. But in a tribe, I feel like say we come beat up everybody in here.
And mommy used to love you beating, you know. I'm going to go up on my man because we can't manage them and stop me. And mommy, you love you beating. Remember mommy tell you that because you see, when we used to give him a sort of running bed, when we cut like a dog so we can't live so with people.
Oh, so left because we can't take stress.
We gone.
What's going on?
Before I'm there, where I want sis?
Okay.
But you want, when I page about today, because I come to your boyfriend say I sleep, right? So I tell her to link me. But when I try to hear now, I tell her land me a buy now, I want 1 million. But unfortunately, I want 1.5. But now when you sell 40, you'll get it back. The bank, just run it through the bank to get back the money.
Now we start out this year, man.
Yeah, man, so that's I do this. I will it up, so you go do.
Yeah, me alright. You know say you're my brother, you know. I maybe do anything for you.
Yeah, man, so enough respect, man. Because you have to call to me and everything, know what you said. You know, so I not let you down, said you. I have some contract that come up, said there's some work to deal with. So, soon as the money comes, you more clear back the loan. I just want to buy the land that me can somebody else want to buy it to. So, I just want to secure and have it. I won't need it. You understand? What about Monday? I couldn't get the money by Monday because I my boy and foreign.
Yeah, man, check me Monday.
We can't get it Monday.
Just call me before you come.
Yeah, man, we do that.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, guys, so you know it's a boy Puppy Dan, and I'm back with another banger prank. So you know, so I go drop money in the road, you see me, and while I take up it, I use a string and pull it away. So make sure you just subscribe, like, share, and comment, and share up the content them. So come in now, go set the money now, guys. Yeah, guys, so just stay tuned. You see money here, and so I tie string for my foot. So I just put the money in the road, and when I take up it, I just pull it away. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so there you got the money right there. Yeah, guys, so I just waiting on them to walk up.
Hey, Toga a big boy. So you must know when they must see over my friend.
Toga will be mad from yesterday and Toga don't come home.
No.
I stress out, mommy. No, sir.
Not just myself over nobody.
Girl. What is your money? I'm also backside. No, sir. What is your money? I'm also now, sir. Oh, you can't run, sir.
Never know say me down.
Me not even laugh.
Where you love Ram, so?
I want YouTube channel me up, man. That's why me I do prank.
You can't do money prank. Me know see a prank, but me well want a little change. You could get it?
No, sir. More than gain but I prank other people. Yeah, guys, so there you made it to the end of the video and we get their reaction. So tell the people them to subscribe.
So yes, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell, and support my cousin.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell.
Oh, I think I'm here. Look for you see him.
No, so I see Toga from what day.
From yesterday, Toga gone and he no come back. Mommy stress out. We have to walk look for him all about the place. All right then, later.
I'm not good though.
Yeah, man. If you see him, tell him to come on yard.
All right.
Where you come from?
Yeah, where I come from?
From morning, me I love it, I look for you. You have a mommy worried. Make you careless, so.
Where you look for me for me or something for you?
Don't worry yourself, you hear you say anything sweet, you go sour you.
No, you look for me, man.
Toga, where you come from?
Where road me I come from?
From yesterday until now?
Me tell you the truth. I did down a quarry yard yesterday that I'm best in. And my family then they got a country. So I just go with them and that's why I never reach home back.
You feel say you're a man, so you can pick up yourself and go. Anyway, that's why they have your talk say, me spoil you. So what you do now? You want to show them say, I spoil me, really spoil you. Why you pick up yourself and go and me don't know which part you're there? So nobody no have no credit.
They never have no credit.
So wait, no, listen on to me, listen on to me. Don't say nothing to me. You are no man, you want me push off your face?
Me never...
Come back on here, sir. Eh? Where that this thing for?
Me never know.
You never know, you don't know, say no so you grow. That's why they have your talk to me spoil you. Because you just feel like say everything if you just do and get away with it. And also this thing go.
Me never know, say me...
Look here, there is a limit to everything. Just find yourself up a yard. Straight up there if you go right now.
There. Alright. Yeah, so far. So you look so. So what?
Stress, stress
Don't worry yourself. The stress is over today. You know my best friend, right? You tell me, say, you want a woman, you know? And I feel like I am a right girl for you.
That's how you know to me, right?
Personality wise, girl, and aside from that, you're calm. You're humble. You can cook, you can clean. So yes, you accept you and I know you're faithful. I don't think you're that girl will go keep on because I never know you're faithful in your past relationship. So yes, so we say like give him a chance.
Let me see what can go on.
Alright, then we'll give you a number. Because I not make you text no man first, you don't know your code.
By the way, you have money?
Well, he hardworking, plus his sister he's a manager supervisor for bank. So if he's not working, his sister hardworking. And the family transaction come through.
Okay.
Yeah man. Really good. So you say go cook some lunch idea, okay?
Right now.
Alright then, girl. Remote. You better say don't watch, right? I'm gonna roll up 2 flowers one. Someone ever sleep. Right! Jesus, you can't sleep, sir.
I'm tired, I'm working hard, you know.
So this is Roy and Roy Lisa.
Nice to meet you. You're such a strong girl. Why doesn't like them strong?
We know your time, but a long time we are friends. But anyways, we're gonna make you have no time. You alright?
You see
Me
it,
go
man.
alright?
Yeah. I'm best friend now. You not trying nothing. If you just not working, you work. And if you work, you work.
You
But I
go
go to
work. I
somebody.
like her. I like how she look. Alright. Look.
So go sit
Come
down.
sit down with that, man.
Later, here?
You eat already?
Mm-hmm.
So finally now I put a face to the texting. I've been texting for a while. But you look shy like you don't want to take no picture. Can I take a picture but you not send none but in person.
But did I already tell you to go on my Instagram where I see enough picture where you want to see?
But seeing you now in person even better though, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you do for fun though?
Mostly stay inside, you know?
I love that about them. I love a woman who stay in. But some of them girls that will come and smile time all over the place, you know? So I feel like we should go somewhere. You want to go somewhere and even go walk and chill out or something?
No problem.
Please, gentlemen.
Yes, my baby.
Hey, babe. So you're back with babe.
You know what I say? See, if I know that I say one girl, I say me go through and one bling bling for the buy shake, and you know say female always like bling bling, but me no. Traffic work, you know. Oh yes, Lord.
Thank you, baby. Come on, baby. That's so special.
Hold on. Take it off.
Knock, we can come in?
Yeah man, come in. You're no stranger, I know it's when the first time you come. How you been though?
Good so far.
Some feel say they are ghost me, you know. With the people for me so.
Just know what is taking me right vibes, so I have to let you alone.
So tell me vibes you want me to get. Or if you tell me it's the other way you want to get me, you know.
And you for show me the right vibes, I know for these girl vibes to make them want you.
I have something in mind. I'll get something for a drink and then
And you have to figure out what me like.
I'll figure it out. So what am I gonna do? To set the mood right, get the right place and also the vibes castle.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get some drink.
Water or some fruit juice.
You think you want vibes like you want to look at alcohol or something?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll be getting sleep or something and that soon come. Alright?
Shocker. What, girl?
Yeah. Where are you? Then I'm not enough to eat.
Girl, I'm so cook. You say, girl, this man and my boyfriend come look for me, and guess what? He buy me these.
Oh, that is very nice.
So they're pretty.
Yeah, I like them.
Girl. I just fix him up nicely. So yeah, go with me.
You know, so I just come from work though, and we go change and something I'm saying we go call and check, cause them let me out early today. Oh, your sister and your brother?
Well, you know my sister, she alright. But my brother, him is a headache. Sometimes I feel even murder him. But me not make nobody stress me.
You're young enough, so you have to understand. You can't do things like that, you're going to murder him or something. You understand? You have to just talk to him, or you make your big sister talk to him, and if he cannot be talked to, you bring him a some therapy or something. You never tried that before?
You me tell you something about the little boy then. He might get out of control. You see, because in father house, he feel like saying enough to listen to nobody. And because his father used to beat up mommy, he feel like saying have control over everybody in here. You understand? I mean, I take nothing with him. Him no want no therapy. A body him bad like his father. He take up every step of his father. Mommy can, I mean, you notice with mommy too? She spoiled the little boy. He not even talk to the little boy, make the little boy know saying wrong. So his parents are doing so. I mean, I make you come in and control nobody in here. No want no therapy. I lick him want. I can't go lock him up in a station and make him beat him up down there.
Well, I don't know if it was just sending off from it. Anyways, I'm not stay too long with you. So come on the food done.
Alright.
I love your shoes, you see?
Someone see you back again though.
Maybe.
I really have fun, you know what I mean? And I really see myself on long journey. So if there's no problem, just tell me a problem. You understand? I mean, just because my time, you know, say kind of look a bit shy. You're not tell me. At first time I go out and think, you couldn't tell me about the vibes and things. Because I really mess me up. And my friend tell her.
Yeah.
My best friend, because I call her and I vent to her and I tell her how I feel depressed just now here for you. Because you come here the first time, I'm going to see you back.
You know, for something, I remember when you said it turned me off. You know, one sentence can turn off somebody, right?
Well, so my time, you know.
And sometimes you don't know, you're not conscious of what I say, just talk.
But so my time, I just say eyes and the space between the teeth kind of affect me. And your lips. So I just say something, so you don't know what I say.
Okay, next time I go back my face.
Come on, you look
So you
good,
can
man.
be yourself.
No, you just have you don't feel like me in love, you know?
Oh, okay.
You know what I say, the feeling I get, you know? It's like when we used to in love back in the days. Now when not the food we don't want to eat. First time I meet them, I talk and we hang out and go places. Now when I come back home, not the food now, I just feel like I'm on top of the world. And then I couldn't hear from you after that. It kind of makes me mess, you know? That's how love stay. So anyway, look at rain go fall and there's some errands to run. You want to stay or you going back?
You know, so I have to go home, I have some things to do.
Alright then, so I'm going to carry out to the park and I can get a drive and then I want to see you back, alright?
Friday.
So it takes me so long to reach you. Why attitude? What is the attitude now, baby? What? I don't understand. They say to meet you, so I'm going to meet you early. Earlier than when you expect. So why the attitude now?
Stop going like you know. Why you buy Shaka nice, white, clean shoes with bling and don't buy it for me? Me need that same shoes with the same bling, with the same style and with the same lace and the same size.
Same shoes, same. Come on, baby, man. You don't move, sir. I just. Oh, I should really tell us to me bye.
We are best friend. We expect she gonna tell me anything. And it's like how we are best friend. But you have best friend chain, a match. So we have best friend shoes to match. So you are gonna buy me the same shoes we buy or else shop lock.
Oh, God, man. Come on, where you want to lock shop and I know? I know, sir. You is my future. She's just the past. So if she even gets one little shoes, she shouldn't even make that worry you, baby. But as you say, you want the same exact shoes, I'm going to get you that same exact shoes.
You talk about me should have a problem with sharing shoes. I mean, you should have buy shoes first now, since it's me and your future. You think I'm an idiot? You can't go me.
No, baby, no. Listen, no get you the shoes. If I don't see that tomorrow.
Make sure.
Yeah, no call, yeah? Oh, God. What umbrella?
Oh yes, Nico, read that go.
That's all. What you want to the umbrella? You hear me? All this time, I'm going to get some big money. But listen, if your sister asks you, you don't see. You don't know what about it. No mind, you don't see.
Remember, you have to do something more there.
Don't worry about that. You'll come.
No man, I want to make your Facebook stuff.
I can't believe that they really gonna set me up on.
What do you mean?
First thing, 2 saw. Second thing, 1 minute and couple seconds. And then I can't tell me about what you want second one. Second one for the war.
What you say? 1 minute?
Yeah.
Then I open up because I'm my best friend. But oh God. Then the city have you go through?
You
You might treat a good way, don't you?
Yeah, you're already in treatment, but you know.
Oh girl. Me go help the situation in case with my person. He function and I know when he ready to, me not tell me like. So me normally buy something and he rub it on him, you know already. And it's stiff and stay for long. Long rounds to get to it. So me go buy one for him. So you don't have no more complaint.
You're not gonna kill me.
No man. So you don't want it long. Long hours you want to make it long hours.
But we don't want to kill me at the same time.
No man, they can't kill you. So you're good with that?
Yeah, because of that, they're only fault, so if you do that, maybe, you know.
Alright, let's say a word.
You can make a thing go on by Wednesday, because on Wednesday I'm in the half and on Wednesday I want to go check him.
Yeah man, we can make him get it. I'll get in the morning and can go give him the evening. What one right?
Boy, I'm just now look at depression, my friend. What one?
Not a thing. So you just sit on so?
Well, I just meditate, I will meditation. So
I one problem again, man.
If you give me that girl there, she'll stress me out.
And you said you want the girl because she look good and so?
She look good, but she have a piece of stuff. She just full. She want to work all night, all day. She want to work all night, all day.
What are you used to both say them the woman there you want? We can give you every hour and the hour. So now you are complaining. Drink up some papa roots and you that.
And I really me a complain, or she a complain. You understand? Because I do what I can do and enjoy myself. But she, since later she has said she not get enough. You know what I mean? I tired yes most of the time, so I tired, I just full of vibe. But she have a special time I come up and now. But she said she have a special, I know what I'm going to do. I'm confused. I call and tell about man.
Me have a remedy, man. Don't worry yourself. Because sometimes my man falls short doing it, but I love him, so I have to just stick with him.
But the thing where I carry natural.
Don't worry yourself. This year, just stand up all night. Just need to rub this year. Yeah, man. Stone, that is stone. Rub it on you. You hear that? And you're firm. You never soft back. Whole
So
night
rub,
you can
is the one a new door?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I buy for my spouse. You see the same place where I buy for him. When you call me and tell me just buy one for you too. So for him one day, I make sure you carry this one. When you use this upon her, you know. She don't want more sexy right now, you know, so you go good in a kind of way.
You know, I not to trust them. Yeah, is it natural?
It's natural.
Or like on a herbal place?
Yes.
For the natural, and I blend the earth. I will give you a try. Is it dangerous though?
We can have like a faith in me. We tell us some music for my partner because sometimes it kind of like fragile and spongy. And when you put it on it, I eat that.
Alright, so I go on differently?
Not really, I go on, you know.
A long time we're not going to still enough smart to go tour on the place and that's what I go on. You know.
That is it. You need to go take a walk. When you find a woman, me just see her behave certain way like you remember say, me and your friend for a longer years.
No man, I work issue. Can you see loan I take out for you? But you don't pay white people and me have to pay them back, you know. I should be your best friend, you know. Because I don't know what flying in my head. I go take out $500,000 loan for you and you not work. And then you pick up one man and not work. So now I have to take care of that. But everything good is because I'm your friend. Don't worry yourself. I'll try this still because you see after them birthday and the girl come over, I really want to satisfy her even 1 time or 2 times. But you know what I mean? I want to satisfy her. You know what I mean?
You just a complain.
We're going to try this.
You say me and your friend just remind me about the loan. Me didn't have a little difficulty and help me out. You just singing at me ears, singing at me ears. When me find a work, I will pay you back how I can. That's what friends do with the one another.
Alright, me not complain, I'm just saying it to you though. For a reason, right? So no worry yourself, but just talk about it though, cause but then I change 1,000 now. One is 20,000 and it gets free, you see. So we're gonna pay half the band, don't worry yourself about that, man. When you have the money, we give him back. Call it a day, we don't worry about
Me
that.
I tell you sometime me have him, I will give you back.
Yo, you know what? We'll go out later. I'll check you.
You go later?
Yeah, I'll rent a drive and go out later. So I'll pay you in night. But I'll rub on this here. And then she go forward. And after the forward no night. Because she come early because she go back somewhere. She call me. So I'll rub on this here. And then she go forward. And then I'll link you afterwards and we'll go somewhere on the road.
How time later with you?
But about 8 o'clock, I come check over your yard, man.
Alright, then I say a word.
Me just say move in a wall house, the wall room. And everything. But me
I go fully for information.
You know, your mother tell me. Me know all the reason. I just say you know, see a girl move in her room, it's a liar tell. Because you're a girl full of ambition. I don't say that you're a big, but differently. I get money from finish up room and me have to kill myself. You don't say, but you do me rough, you know. But me your friend, though. I'm not worried about
Left that for one next day, man. Left that.
I can't check it still.
Because no matter any little thing or any little difficulty you face, you can come over. Because this I can drop down anytime, you can collapse and you still have to go rocky with me.
Alright.
Make that time, man.
If I on the settee while you're your man on the bed, I can dip on the settee.
Man, that is it. I run out, man. I'm a friend like that, you know.
Alright.
So little more. Remember me call me later.
Yeah, man. If me ain't never best friend out there, you know you see. You go on.
Betrayal.
I just say best friend and best friend don't make good soup. You go on. You see if you walk, you know. But it's a hot man. Alright. That's enough. Hello. Hello. The place look good though, but yo. Stop winding up yourself now, man. Look how I'm coming. People coming and hurt here, you know. The door open up and you know why not turn your back to the door.
Me don't want it. Nobody now come in can hurt me. So what?
When I do kid thing happen.
I want
I have a problem.
So talk now, you just have a problem, what go on?
Lisa says she come check me. And even me down here and I wait for Lisa, you know. Rubber on is something. Where you give me for rubber on. And right now it's stand up and now back down.
So Lisa not go and check you? So you not try back here and say to me, good on?
No do them thing there, you know. Different from that though. I talk to somebody and then tell me say, all the one thing I can do is actually have sex.
Alright, come, me have a little piece of change, I think. We can carry a pink house. Come now.
But them say me have to have sex without condom. Because there's something about the juice out of the female is gonna reduce the something where you put power penis. And you why you give me that for? Why you give me it for?
Oh, you have to manage.
You just hurt me. You have to help me.
Huh?
You have to help me.
Go again?
You have to help me.
Do what?
Take off your clothes and minute. Take off your clothes.
Eh?
Take off your clothes.
No, yeah, I'm better than me rate you so much, but right now, I don't even know if my man no be coming.
He's not coming no, man. Because you don't tell me time schedule, because tonight we are going to party, so you know say you're not coming. Come here, we not talk earlier, man. I shouldn't balance it, you know.
Actually, tell me, say I will get come on.
I feel your friend I give me girl, no girl can't tie me up the way.
You have to go come out then. You try call her?
She doesn't have her phone.
You have to go come out then.
Yeah, you can't.
We can't help you go outside.
You're my best friend, you know. Yeah. And you give me that stuff rub on, you know, man.
Oh, this never happened to me and my partner yet.
But when you rub on, you give him sex, right?
Yeah.
So give me the sex same, you know.
Me can't help you, man. Me can't help you go outside or take a doctor, but me can't do it.
They say me got doctor will cut off, you know.
Doctor now cut off it. Me then tell me something there. They might put it in a bucket of ice, cramp it and make it go down. Come. Come me help you. Come no right. Get up, man, before me man. Come no right.
It hurt me. Calm down, man. Calm down. Try call Lisa, man.
Not even know my phone. Where your phone? Where your phone? Me try call her. Give me. Oh God.
Oh. If I know I wouldn't have done that, man.
Me nah get her in right.
Just give me something now.
Come on for that man, must get her with me. Me glad you find the strength to go up. Me nah get her. Put the phone in your pocket. Come let me help you out.
No, my car's money.
You got a doctor?
My car's money came with someone car.
She know me follow you. No bother beg she make
Yo, by there. Pick me up, I'm over the hospital right now. Alright. Yeah, man, we're going after my friend there. Yeah, from best friend there. Alright, right now. Alright, me general, do that.
You want to make a teeth in come? You want me follow you? Eh?
No good, man, no good. Mr. Right.
Oh, you have yourself on me follow you?
No good.
If God is with me, oh. And then I sit there and I tell them, oh, you're reaching here. You're nasty. What?
See, I'm trying me and trying to listen.
Be what? You're buying? Oh, you're reaching here. You're poop at thief.
You know what I'm to? Come on.
Come out, yeah, come out.
I'm not the thing I'm coming out.
And then your father territory this. Come out. How you did it from morning, B?
Road.
And you left the place open.
Me tell you, say, me no like when you ask me where me I come from. You deal with me like me and you pit me.
Me I deal with the like little pitney. A while ago, tag me come see a China shoes because you left the house open. Now pitney style and me give you breakfast, you left everything there so.
What you mean? Your brother try on me shoes. Me no want to lick down the boy there, you know. Me tell you to talk to him, you know.
Take time when you talk to me. I still my brother and if you talk to him so and do him so. So no come go on like you want come disrespect me brother. If you're the lucky place be when I left this morning, me give you breakfast, everything for the close the place in Ulu come inside.
So you there for? You know what? Me not come here for this, you know. Want to me stew?
Where your stew? Anywhere do you go back and get your stew.
And me not come here for this. Just go on about something. Me hungry.
Give me a favor, me rest first. When me rest and wake up back, you will get your stew. Don't sound man, you come bust.
Lovita.
The devil strong, devil you now.
Are you me come to? Oi.
Devil you now win today.
Are you me come to talk to you?
Yes, Miss Russell.
You say you and my brother a friend. Eh? And my brother in a them the situation there and you not try to solve the problem. Me can't believe. Right now, right in a hospital because you not help him. You a fall person when take for such a friend in that do anything for you.
That's what I tell you. That's what I really tell you. Give me 1 minute, let me talk. I show me respect you, you know. And because me rate right, you know. Me not disrespect you, know. Why you just step inside me house like that?
Me no want hear nothing from you. Me can't believe Sarai help you so much in your life. Anything you want, any problem you're in here, he help you with it. Right, come and bank to me. Come borrow loan. And me give it to him. 1.5. And he take up all of 500,000 and give you.
That's what friends are for.
And you couldn't help him in a them the dangerous situation there. You is not a friend. You know they feel none tall. You are right and no friend.
So me no right true.
Me no want you take him for no friend and also friend treat friend. Right now, in private part, in a problem because you never help him.
Are you near right? I must you near right. You're enough, but I respect me just tell you know. I respect when me have you as a big woman, why me not answer you know. I the respect when me have for you. Me never tell your brother ask me to help him out, like your brother not tell you the whole story. Your brother say he can't get to please the woman when you want to please him. That he come to me find out. If he know a woman that go give him me, why he rub upon him, explain everything to him, integrity, how if he use everything, sitting there and stone, to rub upon him penis. And I gave it to him and he used it. So how is that my fault? And my friend would have never looked for him and sleep with my friend. Me tell him say to go to the back wall. And he feel like he bigger than back road, he never fi go.
You is a wicked girl. Right asks if it's something to rub on him private part as a friend. And you give it to him and the girl not turn up. And you say, you and him a friend and you couldn't help him out. You left him in a problem. Till him and him penis in a problem now. Eh? Right now, that's no good again. You understand the operation no work out good. Then cut some wrong part, down in private part there so. And cause big problem right now. In penis in a problem. No use you no have again because you don't help him out as a friend. But no worry yourself. I'm a brother. I'm sorry for what happened to him. But me no fool. Me no idiot. Me I go sue them. You understand? And me don't talk to my lawyer about it already. And my lawyer don't tell me say I want big piece of money that he have to get because they could have killed Rai. Me I come out to your place. Don't worry yourself.
Have a good day, Miss Russell. Tell Rai we can look for him soon.
You have a good day.
My best wife, you know.
I know that.
I'm hungry though, I want something. You want to go something for me? I'm hungry. Go on about something.
Me I go cook for you.
One on the babes. You know say you want a good girl.
Me know that.
You know Keisha. You know say Keisha my best friend from school days. You know say Keisha girl do anything for me. Anything at all.
Know that. I mean I like her. What?
Babes are my best friend. How you feel like
Your
my best friend?
Not my best friend. Where say happen?
That's what me I say. Alright. She don't want life and death situation. Like that. With your friend. So a situation like for your friend. Would I help her, you know? Would I give her my thing?
That are you. You are me and me.
But I'm my best friend and a life and death situation. Really? And that's why I'm not like talk, you know, because you're dark and fool.
More fool. Thank God they have sense.
Sis,
What? That a thing young like a dog.
so when last year find your best friend?
My best friend. Right? But 1 month I had now. I hear from Rai or see Rai.
Well, massa, me hear say come out of the hospital. And the funniest part, me hear say boss buy a house and he buy car.
What say?
Big house and car, me say.
Feel me right?
Yes.
So why not come link me? And if you still have me up to me, go look for you in the hospital.
Me hear say when the doctor didn't do surgery on him something. They cut your wrong card. He something couldn't do nothing. So his sister help him sue the doctor them. And that's what me hear say him make one heap of money. And him a braff out and cash out. And right now, me they are hungry and I suffer. Mommy a suffer. Nothing not go on for none of we. And we look a brother around there will be a problem. And I your best friend. So the best thing you do is if you can hook a piece of money off of him.
That not sound bad enough, but and if he still can't do things them for me. Cause he have me up kind of normally that call and text. Me no hear from him, me no see him, he no call and he no text. And on a right style that. But I'm my best friend and he always have me back over my past years. So I think that change. So I go and explain to him, say nothing now go on, and me now work. And what we can do just hungry and suffer so. The man not even that give me no money, and left me if you want to there. Kind of serve no purpose.
Girl, you don't know say rice softy already. So all you have to do is just sweet talk him and get piece of money your friend, cause boss buy a big house and big car. But I want to ask you. I want king size bed or something.
Calm down yourself. You go viral too quick. You know say soft to me. So me go ask him and see when he can give me. You're a big man too, you know. You're my little sister, but you're a big man. So you have to try to fend for yourself. You can't just depend on me, but you want king size bed than this. Now get jealous of this, yeah. I feel him see your money fix up your and box up your me happy feet. And next man there, next man now do him for me. Right now come like me, I regret saying me never give none. Cause boy always go hard to me. And he never put no words to me like that until one night time he fall in difficulty. And I never help him. And look what we do now.
Me dey telephone when say give me the boy. And you check when you want fat girl. You say single like this. Me sure say you single like your man love you every day and give you no money.
Nobody go there so make that stay. Make that stay. Now I ask him still. I go check him a morning. Which part he live? Don't know where he live.
Round a Western gated community, lot 403. But I forget the whole like information because I know you never go around there. And I want to make sure.
Well, me go a morning. Because now go and be hungry. I'm thirsty.
And that them why they are running for running away. Because when he come and me no like him, guy look broke.
I know that. From it make it place. He see him sheet me have to take off and I wash put it back on. He see him curtain them. He place might look big and nice, you know. But not all in it. He place one furniture. He place one sheet and so come love nice sheet and curtain and the boy not do nothing.
Run him away. Because the place nice, you know. But right now you live life where some young girl now live right now. So be grateful.
I'm hungry like a dog.
So money I'm dirt. Thank God we not I'm none. Well, can we watch 2 Netflix now? Because you don't know say. To the Netflix no pay for.
Turn on the TV and call her outside of him.
Right.
No. When me sick and want your help, you never did that for me, right? So
Stop going so man.
listen, I don't think so we are no friend, right? So right now me live a different life. So move home so that's some live now. You understand? I just focus. My woman upstairs I don't want to see her because the woman here in the hospital I find her. And she took my nurse. So me not live there so now me no want. You know, she inside and say I camera there she could have watch what go on.
Just stop now, son of me, you know your best friend and like me at talk.
You're not my best friend. A best friend will never leave me like how you leave me, right? But maybe it's a good reason because now me have money now. Because what them do to me wrong, to correct it, them have to give me a compensation. So what I want you to do now, I want you to just figure out about me and you as a best friend. Because every time you want something, I give you, right? You want this, me give you anything you want, me give you. But at one time you give me something, you couldn't turn up. You can't talk to you.
Right, you can't give me more money. You can't give me more money.
If me give you my money, you go strike me.
We don't live so.
Give me now. Leave me alone.
Come now.
Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone and go on.
Oh, go on, cuz.
Bear man, this is all I meant, you know. Where the fun?
For your big
big sister, they love it.
Sure on the money.
Ah, I saw check it.
Alright, let's see her.
Love it. Ah. Yes, guys. So you know, say I'm back with one more new prank. Banger, banger. So because the love it asleep, so I'm just mess around. So stay tuned.
You know you're wrong tomorrow.
Oh God.
Oh, you're reaching here.
The talker send me and tell me say you're on it.
You be top man foolishness you know,
Say hi to
man.
the camera.
You be top man sitting there because you will get natural feed.
Tell the people them to subscribe and make any camera.
Wanna subscribe?
Stay tuned. New video coming soon.
So we are dealing.
Yeah, you know something I can link about something though.
What that?
You and your best friend Roy for do a loyalty test for my channel. You see me want, you know, I look a prank thing like.
Me know that.
Can him not still talk?
Yeah, but right, busy and I work on a big man, you know, ramp when it comes to certain things. So me I left that alone. But here one. Do it for Shaka. You will get a better reaction from Shaka. And Shaka have a nice best friend. So you will get it from her.
Alright then, me I can go here.
Alright, later.
Alright.
And don't do one more prank for me if you ramp with me again, me I go kill you in here.
Alright.
Yeah. God.
Yo, me pull one bad prank for him in the boy.
So let's go in the car.
Me go check her so me see him sleep, me just pull a prank.
Oh.
No come on. God.
What?
Yeah.
You're good.
You know, so around here house, me just come from door.
Hey, what you say?
Me ask her for deal with something for me. And she said me for ask and say you're a better person.
What that now? Hey, nobody come with a prank business in a coming in night today. Away camera.
Nah man, that's just so me have to say. I don't know prank business. You're just a boyfriend?
Not really.
You're just your best friend though.
Of course, what you mean if me trust my best friend?
You're just around your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Alright, tell me what you do. More than want to do a loyalty test for your best friend and your boyfriend. So you say me can't do it?
Well, that's not really necessary, you know, but you support and you look good things still. But you're not going to get nothing where you want to get. None of will go disappointed. So, anytime you're ready, just let me know.
Alright, so when do?
Here what me I go do. Me I go down, me I go text him breast with her. I call her and hear what she has say and then me get back to you. Because she always busy.
Alright, thanks. Later here.
Mm-hmm. Why it take so long to come?
Girl, me did a bed, never bed, because I come from work and me did kind of exhausted, so me did take one rest, then me eat my dinner and then me go bed.
Alright, you can give me a call, please.
Of course, girl, the new man when I have, he tap me up every 2 months. I see him when I leave work, me get me new tap up.
A lie. So how you have find you man and not tell me?
Calm down yourself, I forgot me forgot.
Forgot?
Yeah.
I say you always have moved silent for a long time. Yo. You can't come check me I know, man. Yeah, me I'll wait for you. Alright.
You don't keep it hang up. I would have take call.
I'm my little cousin. The one who have the YouTube channel.
Oh, Puppy Dan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
See
what? Oh.
Good night, cuz.
Good night.
Aye.
Good night.
Nah, you know, how you pull a wicked prank for me.
Cuz, may I ask you a question again? You trust your man?
Yeah, me not tell you already.
So you feel like, say, your boyfriend would have dealt with your best friend?
No, what kind of question that?
Let me say.
Alright then. Here I want to do. I want to do a loyalty test with your boyfriend and you to see if he da deal with you or something. So I want you to call him and put it on speaker.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, dirty boy. How you call, babe? We have been a who this?
A mistake.
Mistake? Babe?
Guys, are you seeing this? This is really juicy stuff.
Hey, we don't want no camera for me, you know. Girl, imagine me and your best friend, we are come from far. You and me both know when we meet me, boy. Girl, imagine me and your best friend. How much years now, and this you really do to me, girl?
Chuckleberry, me sorry.
Sorry, but let me ask you something. You feel good when you do it? You like it? Come call him back and ask me something. Don't worry yourself.
Sorry, Chuckleberry.
Yeah, guys, we made it to the end of the video.
Hey,
Remember
don't post
to
this, you know.
subscribe.
Don't post it, you know. Come out of my house, too. I love coming to the dirty prank, man. Come out of my house. Come go on now.
What want, sis?
Nothing not going on, you know. How you want now? The time you come and something you want.
No, man, it's good.
You're too late, I know what's good. Go get something to eat.
Yo. Why free now?
There. There, man, that's a dunce, man, you know.
Selfless crime. Lie.
See that, man, never told you again. Just put this in your pocket.
Where you get this from?
Don't worry where you get it from. Put it in your pocket.
So what you want to do in my room?
All a
This
meds.
man can check me.
So you come out now, no?
All a meditation.
Go to the door. We need some privacy. I want to sleep.
Say that, man. Let's see.
Come out of my room. We need some privacy. You see?
Go on like a fair place, I go on.
Biscuit. What is this happening?
Then go on, my friend.
Can't buy this time.
Anyway, they different.
No, man. You know say, it's like you love when me and you have problem. Look before you come, me put on my money for my dresser. And I can't find my money and I alone going in the room.
You don't know nothing about that money.
What mean you don't know about no money? I mean you one day.
But look for your money in there.
Don't make me have no problem with my money.
Search my pocket.
Can you look around like
You feel say me a thief.
So what about your friend? Get up.
I search him man, man.
Box across your face.
Watch ya, box who?
Kuya, watch ya, watch ya.
Me nah no money for you.
Watch ya. Where you get money from? I see him some wrap up my money and put it down in my room. So that's why I told him plan up to go in my room, go take out my money. Let me tell you something. You see, as long as I see the yard, you don't come back to the yard.
You can't tell him man that.
You see how you?
Oh, you know how me give your money. Eh?
You see how you? Me believe see how you take the money and put it on him.
$1,000 money.
You don't look like you're a thief. You're a thief. And $1,000 money. Go work if you want money. You're a big boy.
Come back in your room, man.
You come go over your yard.
Go on your room.
Don't let me come back out and come see you.
Get grimy.
Get grimy. You're not coming to come beat up everybody. We're going to look beside your pa.